I teach upper secondary mathematics at an international school in West Indonesia, teaching the Cambridge curriculum. The students are aged 16 to 19, born to the digital technologies and called Generation Z. All the students have one-on-one iPad and at least another device raised in an environment exposed to the internet and social media. The school has updated infrastructure facilities where each classroom has an Apple TV setting. These Generation Z students do learn differently. They get bored easily. Sometimes they don't feel challenged with the textbook-based learning. They expect immediate feedback. Some are vocal, few are shy, and we have slow learners who are critical thinkers in need of repetitive lessons. How can I engage every student in the classroom as a teacher and get an easy overview of all their misunderstandings in real time and guide them in the right direction? How can I let everybody answer, including the shy students who normally wouldn't? In short, how do I positively influence my students' engagement and learning performance in a formative assessment context? In pursuit of this question, this module, the innovative 21st century teaching, gave me an eye-opener on a digital technology solution called the gamification. The term gamification was coined by Nick Pelling in 2002. It has gained special interest since 2010 and is referred as the use of game elements in non-game contexts. While in education, it refers to the introduction of game elements in the design of learning processes. A glance at the definition by reputable scholars here narrows to a common word, that is game elements. Common gamification elements are points, badges, achievements, and leaderboards. It is based on the idea that certain learning and conventional activities, in our case the education, are inherently dull, and that since gaming is fun, game-like elements would make these activities more appealing. Many studies have reported these elements prove to be a tool for increasing the learner's engagement, creates enthusiasm towards learning, enhances the retention and recall, and promotes positive behavioral change through the instant feedback opportunities. To this generation, gamification is not a new idea, rather more natural and more effective than any passive alternatives. In simple, the game's achievement reward challenge loop promotes the production of dopamine that leads to the desire to play, to an increased user engagement, which motivates the learning to happen. There are several gamified applications like ClassDojo, Kahoot, quizzes, and interactive online resources like Khan Academy that serves as a formative assessment tool that could be used to engage learners, particularly for my upper secondary mathematics. For my classroom setting, I would like to experiment on quizzes digital application for one of the probability and statistics topic which I plan to teach next term. Can this gamification technology tool, quizzes, solve my problem to effectively assess learning and to productively engage my students with feedback processes? Its salient features are its database has millions of gamified e-quizzes from other teachers. These questions content closely matches the criteria of Cambridge curriculums that I am teaching. On the left of the slide is the teleport feature, where all I have to do is search for relevant quiz and use the filter by feature to be specific of question relevant to my syllabus. There are options for the types of questions like multiple choice, open-ended, poll and others. Of course, you can create your own questions. I would prefer fill in the blank type to enrich authenticity and challenge students by processing and demonstrating knowledge of the content of the probability unit. This gamified app has an inbuilt math editor, which is quite rare in other apps and suitable for any maths teacher out there. The student's display view is on the bottom right of the slide. As seen in the student's display, most gamification apps work on different platforms with a browser. Having grown up with smartphones and laptops, it is easy to bring learning to the palms of any Gen Z students. Students respond on their device and teachers dashboard updates in real time. The third feature allows identification of challenging topics and underperforming students in real time. The instant real-time feedback through reports at both the class level and for individual students helps to identify topics and students on which I should focus the most. I could use these reports to modify my lesson in real time. Immediate detection of possible gaps is my teaching challenge, and gamification is the solution I intend to see. It also auto-generates graded reports in Excel, PDF and other formats, which enables quick sharing to students who prefer digitalized notes. Opportunity for the involvement of the parent in their children's learning is also promoted by just a simple click to share the report. Lastly, gamification provides inclusive learning environment for learners as every student learns differently. With the game settings, I could customize the game experience to suit my students and classroom needs. The settings in quizzes allows creation of a formative assessment that I intend for my student. For an example, in a competitive class, I could enable the leaderboard feature to encourage positive jealousy. While in a class where students are preparing for external exam, I could limit the attempts to only one to measure their preparedness. In a class which is reviewing concepts, I would allow the redemptions feature for re-attempts on incorrect question to indirectly make them memorize the facts. The shuffling the question and answer option prevents unwanted collaboration in the classroom too. In short, formative assessment is definitely on point with these settings options. This would serve as a brief example of my before, during and after class lesson preparation using quizzes. I intend to pick questions from public quizzes while creating my own question set with the teleport feature. Later to customize using the settings option. At the start of a class, I would check their previous knowledge with polls feature and play a live game after the introduction of concepts. It is quite simple to start a game. The app provides a code for the students and students joins the game using their own devices. I believe gamification app could get teachers quick snapshot of students' understanding while they play a fun game. This is a simple lesson design of a classroom with quizzes. As you see here, it can be applied to both physical classroom and virtual classroom, as it is an educational technology tool that is digitalized. Not all lessons can be gamified. The constant assigning of point value to mastery could lead to addiction. Instant gratification as a learning motivator could be a challenge in the child's future education. Another criticism is the possibility of unethical behavior in attempting the questions. Students may search for information from the internet just to win. Cost is also incurred to enjoy advanced features like the extension of the deadline and topic reports, which creates barriers to classroom efficiency. In conclusion, a teacher must be mindful of who their students are and what the class's common goals are. When these are considered, gamification of the classroom can lead to increased student engagement and success, as proven effective to some extent throughout the literature. To get a sense of this gamified quiz, I have added the music for your listening pleasure. I believe this music can be looped for continuous gameplay among students, at least for the first few attempts. Thank you very much.